look at the concealers now. But if you're interested, follow us now for some other tutorials and tips and tricks on our product. This is our Fair concealer. So I'm just going to use my finger to get that product moving on my hand. Really highly pigmented, and a little bit goes a long way. Just going to use my beauty blender this time just to push this into my skin. If you are a fairer complexion than I am, this might be for you. The next one is Fair Medium. This is my color. This is the one that I use every single day. I'll just emulsify it on my finger in the pot, get it moving. It's really important with Aveil products to make sure that you get them emulsified. The way they're made to stay in this container and be nice and compact just means that you have a bit of warmth to move around. I just wear a bit of concealer just to help brighten under my eyes a little bit. Our products are quite forgiving in terms of skin tone. If you are in between colors, you can actually get away with more than one color. I'm going to look at the final one, which is the medium, the darkest color that we have in the range at the moment. Just emulsify, really smooth. It just goes on your skin like butter. These concealers are probably one of our most popular products at the moment. People just love them. They're excellent. You can layer them if you need to, so you don't have to put it on heavily at first, but if you find you need a little bit more coverage, you can actually go in with a bit more product. That is the medium. Just go over it with a bit of a beauty blender. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below. Share, like, and have a great day. See ya.